lockdown situation, we cannot give a big party for your 40th birthday. Instead, we've recorded these messages, best wish messages from all your near and dear ones. I hope you like these messages. From my side, all I need to say is I love you and I hope you enjoy your birthday and all the surprises in it. Thank you. Bye.
प्यारी बेटी वीनू, आपके आजू के 40वीं वर्षगांठ पर बहुत बहुत बधाई। आप मेरे प्यारे बेटे गौरव और बेटी मानिया के साथ संसार के सारे सुख भोगो। अखंड सौभाग्यवती हो। और मेरी यही हार्दिक इच्छा है कि आपको भगवान ने जो काम सौंपा है उसमें परिश्रम और ईमानदारी से करती रहो पूरा जीवन।
Hi Vinu, today Monday 22nd June 2020 is your 40th birthday. I wish you a very very happy birthday and I pray to God that you have a prosperous, happy life and many more birthdays to come. Please enjoy your birthday and we are looking forward today to a grand gala event. Bye bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वीनू, आपको 40th बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मेरी प्यारी बहू, मैंने आपको बड़े शौक़ से लिया है। मेरी यही तमन्ना थी और गौरव के दादू की भी थी कि घर में कोई डॉक्टर होना चाहिए। तो जब गौरव की बात बनी तो मैंने डॉक्टर बहू का ही मन में ठाना। तो आप मुझे मिल गए। मेरे मन की ख्वाहिश है कि आप अपने प्रोफेशन में इतना अच्छा करो कि जैसे सब लोग वेट करते हैं कि कोई डॉक्टर आ रहा है और आपको भी जैसे अच्छे लोगों के इंतज़ार के लिए रास्ते भी इंतज़ार करते हैं। तो मैं कहती हूँ कि मेरी बहू का भी ऐसा ही फ्यूचर हो। लव यू वीनू, गॉड ब्लेस यू वीनू।
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज पिजामा पहन के बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आज तो पार्टी जब तक बचते नाच पिजामा पहन।
Happy birthday Veenu, happy 40th birthday. Happy birthday to the best sister-in-law in the whole world, from the best sister-in-law in the whole world. Happy birthday, let's keep partying together, let's keep rocking together, but most importantly, let's keep getting young together. Lots and lots of love. Happy birthday, cheers.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वीनू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। खुश रहो, हमेशा हंसते खेलते रहो, तुम जियो हज़ारों साल, साल के दिन हो 1000। और गौरव, तुम ज़िंदगी के खूब मज़े लेते रहो हमेशा। और वी आर प्राउड ऑफ यू, यू आर द एल्डेस्ट बहू ऑफ द फैमिली, डॉक्टर बहू, सबका ध्यान रखने वाली बहू। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
Hi Veenu, congratulations on completing the first 4 decades of precious life beautifully. May God bless you with many more beautiful decades ahead. Our blessings are always with you. God has already bestowed you with rare virtues of heart and soul. Keep them up. Veenu, you are fighting like a soldier in the form of doctor. Hats off to you. Happy birthday. We all love you a lot. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Veenu. It's your 40th birthday. God bless you. A very important day in your life. Enjoy your life. God bless you with a long and healthy life full of happiness. You are a very positive, calm and composed personality. always remain like this and have a blast.
Didi, wish you a very very happy special 40th birthday. And because आपका birthday special है, so I thought I'll share a secret with you. और वो secret ये है कि you have inspired me a lot, Veenu Didi. You have inspired me to be a better wife, mother, daughter, and most of all a better human being. Because आप बहुत genuine हो, Veenu Didi. So thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for all the love that you have given me, and thank you for always being there.
Happy birthday Veenu. Happy birthday once again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वीनू मामी. जॉनी भी आपको विश करेगा. हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे. होप यू हैव अ फन डे एंड जॉनी एंड आई विल सिंग यू हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर वीनू मामी. Say happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Veenu Mami. Have a nice day. Have fun.
Veenu, 3 cheers to the 40 candles on your cake today. A very, very happy birthday. You know what they say about life? That if it was a book, you know, this book would really start making sense when it reaches this 40-year chapter. So today is that day for you. Not that you've already been poised and very sensible, but now this new innings, I'm sure and I wish and I hope makes you smarter, healthier, happier, wealthier, and may you have loads and loads of fun and happiness in life. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Veena Chachi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Veenu Bhabi, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Everybody's been talking about it being a 40th birthday, but remember 40 is just a number.
But it is an important number. And do remember that most of the folks who are wishing you are already over 40. So it's okay, it's easy.
But jokes apart, have a great birthday. You've been spending a lot of time outside house helping the community. Hope you get to spend some quality time with family. You've been an inspiration with your calm and cool demeanor always. Have a great birthday.
Yes, and we hope your next 240s, your next 8 decades are as wonderful, as beautiful, as gorgeous as your last 40 years. So have a great day, have a great year, and enjoy. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Veenu Bhabi, wish you a very very happy 40th birthday. Congratulations on completing the milestone. I know you're still young at heart and I think you are the best and the perfect example of a Cancerians rock.
हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे आपको. चीयर्स. वो कहते हैं men get naughty at 40, women get naughty at 42. अब पति को छोड़ो, वेगस आओ, हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मस्ती करेंगे. Have a good one.
Happy
Cheers.
birthday. Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Veenu Bhabi.
A very happy 40th, Veenu Bhabi, and we look up to you for the kind of mother you are, and you're a great influence, and you are. We look up to you for your simplicity, for your calmness,
for your positivity, and we wish that the next 40 years of your life are even better than the last 40 years. A very happy birthday to you, and we'll celebrate properly once the lockdown is over.
With our baby, yes.
Yes. Happy birthday. See you soon.
See you
Bye.
soon.
Happy 40th birthday, Veenu Bhabhi.
According to us,
you are an ideal mother,
ideal daughter-in-law,
ideal wife,
super duper talented,
best doctor.
and hence the diagnosis is super achiever, and we all love you.
Happy birthday
Happy
once
birthday,
again.
Veenu Bhabhi.
Dear Veenu Bhabhi, wish you a very very happy 40th birthday. आपकी जो सिंप्लिसिटी है और जो आपका अपनापन है वो हम सबको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है एंड वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट. हम यही चाहते थे जब हम आपकी और गौरव भैया की शादी हुई तो हमें लगता था हमारी फैमिली में सारी जो वाइफ्स बहुएँ हैं वो ऐसी आनी चाहिए एंड आई थिंक वी मेंटेन दैट ट्रेंड. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. एंजॉय योर डे.
Hi dear, happy birthday. Wish you a very 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 happy birthday. Enjoy your day, have a blast. Miss me. जम्मू आजा, पार्टी करेंगे. Bye.
Hi Veenu, happy birthday. Stay blessed.
Hello Veenu, happy birthday to you. May God bless you a lot after a very long time. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you once again and wish you a very happy birthday.
Hello Veenu, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Okay, take care, huh? Bye bye.
कैसी है? विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. से माई हाई टू मान्या एंड गौरव. वी मिस यू अ लॉट. काश तू जम्मू होती तो हम सब बहुत अच्छे से बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
हेलो वेनू आंटी, हैप्पी बर्थडे. हम आपको बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. आप जल्दी से जम्मू आओ, फिर हम आपको बर्थडे बनाएंगे. बाय.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Veenu. Have a great year ahead. Get naughty at 40.
Happy birthday, Veenu. Happy 40th, and hope we can catch up soon and celebrate this.
Hi Veenu, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Hi, happy birthday, Veenu. May God bless you with whatever you deserve, whatever you want. May you be happy and prosperous always. You be healthy and live long life. क्या बोलते थे हम वो? तो 100 साल जिए, तेरे पोते पोतियाँ तेरा खून पिए. एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू डियर. आई ऑलवेज मिस यू. ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती हूँ. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दैट. चल हमेशा खुश रहे. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Hi Veenu, many happy returns of the day. I remember so many parties with you and you're such a big sport. Be the way you are. Happy birthday once again.
Hey Veenu, happy birthday. Cheers to you. Even though you don't drink, but you have been, always a great fun whenever we have partied. Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरी वीनू. बहुत बहुत मुबारकें तुम्हें. पति के साथ खूब बर्थडे मनाओ, खुश रहो और हमें मिस करो इस बार. अगली बार जब भी पार्टी करेंगे तब तुम्हारे से पहले बर्थडे की पार्टी लेंगे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वीनू. ईट अ ह्यूज चंक ऑफ केक फ्रॉम आवर साइड. और हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम आके विल ईट डबल. व्हाट्स दैट केक विच यू यूजुअली ऑर्डर? सम चॉकलेट ट्रूफल केक ना?
हाँ, जो भी है हम खा लेंगे. केक खा लेंगे, कोई नहीं. कोई भी केक ऑर्डर करो और हमें वाजवान खाना खिलाओ, हम कभी भी खा लेंगे.
एंजॉय योरसेल्फ और हॉस्पिटल स्किप कर दो. फॉर वन डे स्किप द हॉस्पिटल.
हाँ यार, अपनी डॉक्टर की ड्यूटी एक दिन के लिए छोड़ो और एंजॉय करो. हैव अ ग्रेट बर्थडे, हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड.
Hi Veenu, wishing you a very happy birthday. Keep smiling.
Happy birthday,
See you
Veenu.
soon.
We'll miss your birthday this year, but best wishes from all of us. I'm sure we'll party very soon. Till then, take care and enjoy yourself. And गौरव, थोड़ी सेवा करो बीवी की अच्छे से यार.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Veenu. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Hi Veenu, wish you a very happy birthday, 40th birthday. I'm sure आपने अभी तक सारे अच्छे sugar coated formal videos देख लिए होंगे, but I wanted to give a very honest video. देखो आप 40 साल के हो गए हो. Let's take a recap. आपने लाइफ में अचीव क्या किया है?
doctor, MBBS, MD, COVID-19 patients, a loving husband, a wonderful daughter, good family. Adulations from all these people who are giving these videos. Is that all? I'm sure you can do a lot better. You need to get inspired. I would recommend look at me. If you're still not getting inspired, look at your husband. The next 40 years can be a real game changer. And I'm sure you will do great. Best of luck. Always come back to me for advice.
Hi Vinzu, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. I hope you have enjoyed the little video which we all compiled wishing you on this 40th birthday. I wanted to keep my wishes for you till the very last moment. I wanted to wish you at the end. You know why? Because for me, you are a very special person. You are the kind of person who has really made our life colorful. You are a beautiful person, not just from inside, but from outside. I have enjoyed and cherished each and every moment that I've spent with you for the last 13 years and which I'll be spending for next 60, 70, 80, 90 years. I don't know why, what the number could be. But I really look forward to spending my rest of life with you, and I hope that you are happy, you stay healthy, and you have a great, prosperous life ahead. I love you. Bye.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you, but do you, but do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Soon to boom, 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 boom. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba